And so yeah, really, that's interesting about here. I can give a quick review here. What did you think about that? I have a good name myself. As I'm reading about it. So the point is the unmotivation factor here is there. So I guess I think about it. Whenever you start about it, not have any purpose or here. It doesn't. Some people feel so disadvantaged that he just has no whatsoever any kind of motivation to do anything. But he likes on the case of one place, constantly. So that's the issue here. So Indie Show really has standing for. We take it with the old mobile phones. Collecting there. Okay, so there are a million factors here. It is. That's the issue here. It is. You know, but all the mistakes has put on all in the front, and there is no really long airport to make a transition here. And the muscles, yes, for the way, so the strengths and hands executing on. Okay, look for all the ones personality that body or how does the muscles has been yesterday and transform it into relationship, how some person would wish is a body would be. So the general idea about the person has not really taken enough total number of the living organism here. Has this kind of thing. He has to really coin over this issue, unless he's going. And so they're speaking here, skills, right? They are going to get down here, everything, given conditions. They should be very well doing about it. When there's any negativity coming on a road ahead, instead of being such a negative about it here, is there is no negative occasion coming on right ahead. It should be positive about this. Indicating marker. Now he's able to remember and recognize all things. Okay, so the big area is that when he's eating often more food from now on, and see the back history here, is just I want to kill off that kind of thing. I'm not at all going to about here. Recognize that I'm kind of F up it, I guess, all things. What is this noise around? So because I have to goes that direction. Wait a second, what is the nose? There? The nose was like some kind of central air. What is the conditioning here? So the machine which will be addressed. So, example, hold the air coming inside the transporter and it warm air coming outside here. So, the question here is, has this machine making any kind of advancement of this? Because there's a water here and a ramp and a classic here. You can put it off and should be immediately starting the program. It takes 1 second if we got ready. And it doesn't do anything now. What's this here? You're gonna do yourself something. Is somebody else gonna do something? Okay, how you make sure that nothing is broken here? Can you also here? Nothing happened to physical parties here. Looking for a one vehicle application. Sharpness of steel visible here. Let's go show it about here. And so look at the physical and the genetical also that's genetics too also here. Living in genetical disadvantages is the classic question why he's talking about this thing. Of course, if somebody wants to have a genetical advantage, what I talk about it, living with a genetical advantage right here. Compared a relativistic approach about here. You're looking for those things here. And once genetics has no whatsoever any kind of it, was making him mad about it, crazy about here because what is the madness, the craziness? What is this comparative and anguishal living existential crisis about that? And a person want to achieve a goal, he's the goals because whatever conditions doesn't allow to be happen here. If you can look around big, just the opportunities, everything is possible here. Put those things offline here. How's the feeling about here? That's the way to go about here. Just some kind of a pop-up battery here. Okay, suppose combats. Well, let's go about he's doing about it. I think he should be paying about here, about it. That's what you do about it. What money can do good for to you in North Korea. You are already, I don't know, very confidential. It's a request about this here. Of course, it's I don't know really what to say about here. But it's just go this direction. And so I respect your improvise at the tatsucation. Not really have a improvise matsuke. The situations are frozen as a frozen here. Going on here. That was a fucking bad idea here. Going this sort of rules apart here. It couldn't be any more, okay, so put your pants on, pants off, okay, so here. So you don't do anything here, after all. It's not curious what the rooms are here. And they get sunshine here, fully utilizing as it is here. Try to enjoy it at the maximum after it is. So tables here. What is making his on solace here? That's uttermost selflessness, is operation. Or what else he could do about it? It's a classic question, okay, everything you need to do here. What else there is to do about here? Some things has no war, no wow, and nothing here. How does it feel about that kind of thing around here? So individuals in souls here. I'll go around here. It's a funny character, David Lestikish here. And the guy has every kind of possibilities that are existing here. I'm looking for this thing here. We should go away from what I guess when he knew about that kind of thing. So whether he's still concerned about it, is this vegetarian diet, not this vegetarian diet alone, but they're just lacking of the eating of the as much as possible here. So that's the kind of thing around as much as possible. So now he has concern for eating as much as possible here. And when he's looking for everything here, come the kitchen, what there is to be eaten here, and come and take something like a weight around him as a barrier. Okay, so the good we actually stop it.